What's up, boys? So I have a lot of video material saved up on my hard drive that I can't really use for one vlog. Yeah, here's some shit, boys. Hello guys, so today my 740 is getting a retarded burble tune.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
My plans were actually to fix this car today. I still haven't got the rear portion of the exhaust. This exhaust falls down all of the time. Last time I drove it I had to hang the bitch up with the fucking jumper cable. I don't know if you guys know this, but I haven't even got the work wheels on anymore because I sold those when I got the S2K, since that was a really expensive car. So now I got these things, but yeah, look kind of nice. I checked out a video on YouTube how to do some pops and bangs on diesel, aka the burble tune. That was actually very long ago, and yeah, I just haven't had the time to do it. So I talked to Leo today and I wanted to do it, so we got the old computer boy out, and we're going to plug it into the ECU and do some magic. I think Leo's having a shit inside of the garage. Here it comes. We're going to head into Them's tune. There is something about fuel cut that we're supposed to remove, I think. Here in the rev limit overrun safety, we turn the fuel cut below 1 kilopascal, and that's very little, because if we have that on the regular it just cuts all of the fuel when we go to decelerate, and then we don't get the pang. Okay, yeah boys, so we took this is the manifold absolute pressure, and we added a 30 down here, and it goes up to 100 because this is a NA car, and from 3000 RPM we put 0 here on the ignition, and according to YouTube, that's how you do it. So we got it to work, but I know I mentioned this in the YouTube video, but it only works if I have like 1% TPS, so I have like just a little tiny bit of throttle, then I can do the pops and bangs. Pretty nice. He's scared when he see that 740 with a laptop, my guy. The fucking spark plug is correct, boys. But she'll be right. What's up, boys? Today we're in Fällfors at Drive Center Arena. Very nice track, apparently. I've never been here. And today we're at DMEC, or Drift Masters European Championship. We're arriving here in the pits. The pit.
Undo those mistakes. Look at Kavir on an entry.
Oh my God, look at this from Kavir. He's not messing around. He wants to get a taste of champagne off the podium. He's matching the angle, he's matching the pace, he matches the transitions. He looks down the side of that teal and blue S14 as he sees James Dean come around. He transitions early once again. Dean cuts the wheel and into the circuit. Kavir bursts through the smoke, looking for the side of James Dean's S14. He said,
Wow.
Guy on this moped right in front of us doing some nasty wheelies, my boy. Hell yeah. Camera's not in focus though. Dude is whipping that moped. But after that, I thought we should have a little garage update. Aye. Fuck. Hello, Leo.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Letting torques for insects.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Very nice. Anyway, quick car update. I actually did fix the exhaust on the 740 yesterday, so we got the nice little turn down tip, and now it's really quiet. And trust me, boys, I think this is the worst exhaust I've ever built. I wanted to be quick and I didn't want to buy any new pipes or whatever. Bro, this is some haggard shit right here, but at least now the car is very quiet. It's nice, because first I lost the back portion of the exhaust, then I lost another like third of the exhaust, so I just had one muffler and the pipe ended somewhere here, or the exhaust rather, so it was really freaking loud. And now I can actually bear driving this thing again, and the pops and bangs are not as loud anymore, which kind of suck, and the launch control isn't as well. But anyway, looks a bit nicer, I guess, and I hopefully won't get stopped by the police. This thing's just been sitting since Disco Dance. I haven't used this thing. Apparently it's got a flat tire, I didn't even know that, but yeah, drift car, don't use it so much. And then the S2K, I actually changed out the oil on it and made a little less noise, but I still had the timing chain rattle on startup when the engine was hot. So I took apart the timing chain tensioner and I sandblasted the worm gear and inside of the piston, and now the car is sounding good, so no ticking noise or whatever, and I can hopefully film some videos with it driving soon. I'd like to make some sort of POV video to show you guys what it's like to drive it, but now it's all working, so it's nice. I've also been driving my bike a bunch. I polished my exhaust on this thing and it looks a bit nicer. Hell yeah. The E39 is at a standstill. pretty much, since I've had like small shit to tidy up on other cars. But you know, it's a long project, it's getting work done sometime. And yeah, that's about it. I bought this cool Dremel thing as well. Hopefully next video will be on the S2K. I really want to make that POV video, but we'll see what I do. And I'll see you boys in the next video. If you like it, leave a thumbs up, Instagram and Patreon down below. See you boys in the next.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and